standard from BAP Institute of Science. Today I am here to present the experiment of double displacement reaction. Materials required for this experiment are test tube stand, lead nitrate, potassium iodide, zinc sulfate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, beryllium chloride, ink pillar, test tube holder, spatula, water. Procedure: take a test tube and pour 1 pinch of lead nitrate with the help of spatula. Hold the test tube with a test tube holder. And add 2 ml of water with the help of ink pillar. And prepare a solution. After that, take another test tube and hold it with the test tube holder. And add 1 pinch of potassium iodide. And add 1 pinch of potassium iodide in the test tube. After that, add 2 ml of water. And prepare a solution. Now mix the lead nitrate and the potassium iodide. And observe it. Do the same process by taking zinc sulfate, sodium carbonate and beryllium chloride and sodium sulfate. Now mix the barium chloride and sodium sulfate. And observe it. Now mix the zinc sulfate and sodium carbonate and observe it. From this experiment, we came to observe that when we mix lead nitrate and the potassium iodide, it turns into yellow color and the solid particles settle down in the test tube. When we mix the barium chloride and the sodium sulfate, it turns into white color and solid particles settle down in the test tube. When we mix the zinc sulfate and sodium carbonate, it turns into white color. From this experiment, we came to conclude that exchanging of ions between the two compounds is known as a double displacement reaction. This reaction is also called as precipitated reaction. The potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate, it forms potassium nitrate and lead iodide. The another reaction of this experiment is barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, it forms beryllium sulfate and sodium chloride. The another reaction of this experiment is when the zinc sulfate reacts with the sodium carbonate, it forms zinc carbonate and sodium sulfate. Thank you.